Hi children, good morning. Take your activity book, page number 50. Okay children, this is your EVS class safety lesson. Okay, here see the pictures given here indicate some do's and don'ts. Now put the number of each picture under the correct action. See children, left side some pictures are given and also right side also some pictures are given. They also given numbers. Yes or no? Okay, see children, first picture. Is it correct? Is it do's or don'ts? Here he is keeping his hand outside of the vehicle. Outside of the bus. Yes? It is do's or don'ts? It is safety children or unsafety? Yes, it is don'ts. So write down children. In don'ts place, write down in first circle number 1. Next, second picture. Here he is walking on the footpath. Yes or no? It is do's or don'ts? It is safety for him. So it is do's. So write down number 2 is do's place. Number 2 is do's place. Third picture. Here he is standing parked vehicle. Beside the parked vehicle. Yes or no? Here it is safety for him? No. So it is don'ts. So write down number 3 is in don'ts place. See children, here he is standing at the bus stop only and getting into the bus at the bus stop only. So is it safety for him? Yes, it is safety for him. So it is do's. Write down 4 number is in do's place. So write here in do's place number 4. Next picture here. The train is moving but he is running and getting into the train. It is safe. Is it safety for him? No. So it is, write down children, it is don'ts place. Number 5 in don'ts place. Write down number 5. See children, next 6th picture. Here he is walking on the zebra crossing. Yes or no? So is it safety for him? Yes, it is safety. So write down it is in do's place. So write down 6 number is in do's place. Here see children, 7th picture. Here he is seeing, peeping outside of the window. Yes or no? Is it safety for him? No, it is unsafety. So it is don'ts. Write down children number 7 in don'ts place. Write down 7 in don'ts place. See children, 8th picture. Here they are sitting in their own places in a moving vehicle. They do not stand. They simply sat. Yes or no? So is it safety for them? Yes. So write down number 8 in do's place. Write down children number 8 in do's place like this. Next picture is, here he is playing with kite at the edge of slope, steep hill. Yes or no? It is the edge. So is it safety for him? No, is it not safety for him? So it is do's or don'ts? Don'ts. Write down number 9 in don'ts place. Write like this, children. Number 9 in don'ts place. Next, 10th picture is they are crossing the road before the moving vehicle. Is it safety? No. Is it not safety for them? Why? Because it is moving vehicle. Accident will be came. Yes or no? So it is not safety for them. So write down 10 in don'ts place. Write like this, children. Number 10 in don'ts place. Once again, see, children, here. In do's place 2, 4, 6, 8. In don'ts place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Next page. See, children, here. Imagine that you are lost in a market. What would you do? Ask your parents, brothers or anyone and write it here. You imagine, children, you lost in a market. Write down what happened is in that time. Ask your parents or brothers or anyone and write here. Okay, children, now we are writing. Start writing I, if. Take your pencil, ma. Start writing. Capital I, F. If. Give little finger gap. Write down capital I. Capital I. Give again little finger gap. L-O-S-T. Lost. If I lost, give little finger gap. Write down in. I-N in. Write down next line A. A. Give little finger gap. Write down market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. If I lost in a market, comma, give after little finger gap and write down capital I again. Capital I should be always capital letter. I should be capital letter, children. T-A-K-E, take. T-A-K-E, take. Give little finger gap again. T-H-E, the. Take the. Help. Give little finger gap. H-E-L-P, down letter, children. H-E-L-P, help. Again write down, ma, next line. O-F-O, help of. Give little finger gap. Are you writing, children? Very good. Elders. E-L-D-E-R-S. Elders. Give little finger gap. O-R-R. Write in second, next line. T-H-E, the. Or the. Give little finger gap. Traffic. T-R-A-F-F-I-C. Traffic. T-R-A-F-F-I-C. Traffic. Next, you next line, children. This is not sufficient place. Yes or no? Write down police spelling. P down letter. O-L-I-C-E. Police, full stop. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. If I lost in a market, I take the help of elders or the traffic police. Next one. See, children, second question. What will you do if you miss the train? What should you do to not miss it from the next time? Okay, children, start writing. Capital I. Write down, children, in the right side of the page. Yes or no? Give little finger gap. W-I-L-L, will. Next again, give little finger gap. B-E-B. Write in next line, all of you. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. In between two lines only, you have to write down mom, big letters, up letter up, down letter down. Okay. Next, give little finger gap. O-N on. Give little finger gap again. T-I-M-E, time. Full stop. I will be before on time. Okay children. Next, capital S-O. So, give little finger gap. That. T-H-A-T, that. So, that. Give little finger gap. Capital I. Write in next line children. M-A-Y, down letter. Y down letter. May. N-O-T, not. Give little finger gap. N-O-T, not. Miss the train. Give little finger gap. Don't forget this one children. In between two words, give little finger gap. Miss. M-I-S-S, miss. Writing next line. T-H-E, the. Give little finger gap again. Train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Once again ma. Once again. See Nana. If I lost in a market, I take the help of elders or the traffic police. మార్కెట్లో మనం లాస్ అయితే కనుక మన పేరెంట్స్ని ఎల్డర్స్ పెద్దవారి సహాయం కానీ ట్రాఫిక్ పోలీస్ హెల్ప్ కానీ మనం తీసుకుంటాం. I will be before on time so that I may not miss the train. మనం ఒకవేళ ట్రైన్ మిస్ అయితే నెక్స్ట్ టైం మిస్ అవ్వకుండా ఉండేందుకు టైంకి ముందుగానే మనం రైల్వే స్టేషన్కి వెళ్తాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ప్రాక్టీస్ these questions Nana. Learn these questions and write down each one 2 times in your rough notebook. Okay children, we will meet again in next class. Thank you children. Bye.